Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your Alexa device. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem or just want to start fresh, resetting Alexa is super easy. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Why resetting Alexa may be needed. Before we get started, you might be wondering why you'd ever need to reset your Alexa. Well, here are a few common reasons. Connectivity issues. If Alexa isn't connecting to Wi-Fi or other devices. Selling or giving away, you want to wipe your information before handing it over to someone else. Alexa is unresponsive, when Alexa is not responding to voice commands or acting glitchy. Now that you know why, let's get into how you can reset it. Section 2. Resetting 1 Stone and 2 ND-Gen Echo devices. For those of you with a first or second generation Echo, here's how to reset it. Step 1. Find a small paperclip or something similar. Step 2. Look for the reset button at the base of the device. Step 3. Use the paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds until the light ring turns off and back on again. And just like that, your Echo is reset and ready to set up again from scratch. Section 3. Resetting 3 R&D Gen and later Echo devices. For those with newer models, like the 3rd generation or later Echo devices, there's no need for a paperclip. Here's how you can reset it. Step 1. Press and hold the action button, the one with a dot on it, for about 25 seconds. Step 2. Wait until the light ring turns orange, then blue, and finally turns off. Section 4. Resetting other Alexa devices, Echo, Dot, and Show. If you've got an Echo Dot or Echo Show, the reset process is a bit different, but don't worry, it's still simple. Echo Dot 3rd Gen and later, press and hold the action button for about 25 seconds, just like the Echo. Echo Show all models, swipe down from the top of the screen, tap Settings, then tap Device Options, and finally tap Reset to Factory Defaults. Section 5. What to do after the reset. Now that your Alexa is reset, you'll need to set it up again just like you did when you first got it. Here's a quick reminder on what to do. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Go to Devices and tap the icon. Follow the prompts to connect your Alexa device to Wi-Fi and log into your Amazon account. And that's it. Your Alexa is ready to go. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting your Alexa is as easy as 1 to 2 minus 3. Whether you've got an Echo, Echo Dot, or Echo Show, you can always start fresh with just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.